Everyone, this is Carolyn, your retired again happy friend from Mississippi, and today is the end of the month, so hard to believe January's already gone. But at the end of the month, the last weekend of the month, either Thursday or Friday, is when I always go to the grocery store and I buy my groceries for the next month. So today I went and got all of my grocery supplies for the month of February. So if you don't mind, I'm going to share some of that with you and kind of show you some of the ways I was able to stretch those food dollars a little bit tighter and farther this week. And I was really pleased. I came out with $162 for the month, and last month it was $200 at the end of the month. So that made me feel a little bit better, even going up and down the aisle, seeing how much everything had gone up just from last month. So I really have to watch what I buy and save some pennies on a few things, to save a few pennies on things that make me happy and bring me joy and that I enjoy in life. So my thankful for today is so thankful I can still go to the grocery store, and I have a grocery store where the shelves are well stocked and plentiful, and I have a good choice of fruit, vegetables, meat, milk. There were still eggs on the shelf, even with all the talk of the eggs going up higher. I had a coupon for eggs, and they were on special today at Kroger. So I'll share that with you, and I'm just so thankful that I can still eat, and thankful for the little things in life: a home, my Maisie dog, food, my family, love. The good word for today is found in Psalms. God says he takes care of the lilies of the field, the birds of the air, and he'll take care of us too. So that's my hope. That's his promise to me and to you. So we have to count on that every day, even when things start looking kind of bleak and grim. So I will now show you my buys, my grocery store, and then Maisie's going to go for a walk. And it's already getting kind of cloudy and sprinkly outside, so we're supposed to have a few thunderstorms rumble through tonight. And I will talk to you later. Thanks so much for coming by my channel and spending a little of your time with me. Hello everyone, this is your retired again happy friend from Mississippi, and I just got home from the grocery store, so I don't know if you're interested or not, but I can share what I got. I go at the end of the month after all of my retirement funds get into my checking account, and I have a month's supply of groceries. Some I base my menu on what I already had in the refrigerator and already had left from last month, and what I already had in the pantry. But this is what I got today, and I hope you're all doing well. Let me stop and say that. Thank you for tuning in to my channel, and if this is something interesting to you, then I hope you enjoy seeing what's going on in my world at the grocery store. So I end up spending $162.82, which I thought was better than last month, which was $200 for the month of January. So this will be for my month of February. And I had coupons that I used that I clipped. Kroger has coupons that we can clip, and then they have store specials. So anyway, I'll kind of go over some of what I got, and it may help you, it may not. You may say, oh, why in the world did you do that, or why didn't you get that? But I'm like everybody else. I have my habits and things that I like and things that I will save a little bit on something else to get something else that I'm used to or something that I really like. So I'll go down through the line, and hope you enjoy this little tutorial of my shopping today. So we'll start on this end. These are two of my splurges. I don't buy potato chips or corn chips, but I get these little Crispies because they are very, very low in salt, very, very low in fat. Starburst is a little something sweet I like after a meal. The butter was on sale. I got the 2 packs of cream cheese that was on sale, and then the 18 count of eggs. And those ended up being, let's see, the eggs were originally $3.99 for 18, and I had an e-coupon for $2.80. So, no, with my e-coupon, my eggs ended up being $2.80 for 16. I had to get some more coffee. It was on sale today, so I got a big box of my coffee, and I use a little drip Mr. Coffee pot. I do like to buy the Gold Miner sourdough bread, and I like to butter it or put coconut oil on it and make toast or sandwiches, panini sandwiches, and that's the only bread that I buy, because I don't make sourdough bread. I make the potato yeast bread or the yeast bread. So this is Maisie's food. She bumped down from Imes to Purina One this time because I got a much better price for more dog food. The bag of apples was on sale. The bag of potatoes, let's see, I'm not going to go down and tell you, I don't want to bore you with all of my savings, but everything I got, I do compare the cost and see what, what the best price is going to be. So those potatoes, I could get 5 pounds of russet potatoes for the best price. The little bag of mandarin oranges was on sale. A pack of hamburger meat that was marked down, that's a pound of the 80% lean. It was marked down to $3.70, so I got a good price on that. This is the lean pork chops, 5 boneless pork chops, and they were $5 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's $1 a little piece of pork chops. My Alaskan cod was regular $5. It was on sale for $2.54. And the reason these were on sale is because this is the last, or tomorrow will be the last day to sell them. So I'm going to bring them home, repack them, and put them in my freezer and keep it for when I need it. I got 1 tilapia fillet. They were on sale for $5.99 a pound, so my little tilapia was $2. I got a nice sized cabbage. I'm planning another big pot of cabbage soup for February. The last one I made was in December, so I'll be ready for some more cabbage soup. The bag of sweet onions was on sale for the bag. The baby carrots, I got 2 squash, 1 zucchini, 1 yellow crookneck. 1 stalk of celery was $1.99. Some more of the pack of dry yeast. A pack of dried dates, which usually this is my dessert. I have 1 or 2 dates and I put cream cheese on it, and that's my dessert after a meal. I priced raisins. I was out of raisins, and gosh, raisins were expensive, so I ended up getting dried cranberries that were on sale. Some chili mix, ranch dressing mix, which I'm not sure what I'll use it for, but I just like to have it on hand. And this is the canned goods. I needed pears, pineapple, chili beans, diced tomatoes, sliced peaches, cocktail sauce, peanut butter, my face cream, Pond's moisturizing cream, hairspray, mouthwash, toothpaste, 3 packs of cheese. I got a better price if I got 3 packs of cheese, so I got 3. I usually get Bluebell ice cream. I love my homemade vanilla Bluebell ice cream, but it was $10 for 1 regular half-gallon. So that was not an option this time. So I ended up getting Kroger Deluxe, splurged and got chocolate instead of vanilla. Helped my emotions feel a little bit better to get some chocolate. So it was $2.99. The milk was on sale for $1.50, so I got that half-gallon. Expiration date is February 7th, so I'll have to go ahead and use that. This is the favorite milk that I like to get because it lasts so long. The expiration on this is going to be March 20th. So usually I can get 3 of those and it will last me the whole month and I don't have to go back to the store. But this time, Kroger had their gallon milk on sale. So I got one that will be good till February 18th. And then I needed another buttermilk just to have to make cornbread, make biscuits, and also to drink, and cottage cheese. So that's it, y'all. $1, I'm sorry, I wish it was $1. $162 for these groceries. Maisie's food, my coffee, my little extra splurges that I put back a couple of things so I could get things that really I enjoy in life and makes me happy at the end of the day. So I hope that helps you. If you have any comments, I like hearing what groceries cost from people who I follow on YouTube who are in different parts of the country. So I was just absolutely astounded today when I went to the store and saw how much chicken's gone up, beef, hamburger meat. I mean, hamburger meat at $5 and $6 a pound, and I don't know. I've got to cut everywhere I can. So this is the best I could do, and my groceries I got today that will last me the month of February. Have a good weekend, everybody, and come back and visit me soon. Bye-bye. Maisie is such a good girl. She stayed in the house and didn't even try to get out of the house when I was unloading all the groceries from the car into the house. So now she's patiently waiting in her bed. She says, "Okay, Mama, I'm here. Do what you need to do." There she comes because she heard her name called. Oh, Maisie. Maisie, say hi to everybody. Maisie, girl. Maisie, hey. Yeah, it's a good girl. Maisie's on her walk. It's already kind of sprinkling, misting rain, and the wind is blowing. It's 73 degrees, and we're supposed to be getting some thunderstorms coming in tonight. So it's almost about 4:30 in the afternoon, so the sun will start going down soon. Come on, Maisie.